Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Preeti Rajpurohit. So today we are going to start our first chapter, that is computer language. So let's start. Here are the objectives which we are going to discuss today, that is programming concept, machine language, assembly language, high level language and fourth generation language. So students, before going to learn computer language, first of all do basic question. First one is what is language and second one what is computer language. What is a language means is a simple thing. A language is nothing but a set of instruction, or language is a medium to express our view and feelings. To communicate with a computer, we need a language that a computer understands. For every action, a computer has to be given instruction accordingly. Suppose if people want to talk to each other, they need a common languages that both they can understand. If one person speak Hindi and other person speak English, both of them can't understand each other languages. How will they communicate? They need an interpreter who can interpret for both of them. Students, computer is a machine, so they can't understand a language. It understands only two states of switches, that is on and off. Switch on is represented by a code 1 while switch off is represented by code 0. These codes are called binary codes. Let us know more about a computer language. A computer can understand only binary language, that is the language of zeros and ones. We use SCI, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Codes made up of binary digits to represent alphabet and decimal number inside the computer. Binary language is also known as machine language. In the beginning, program was written only machine language, since it was only language understood by the computer. There are three types of language, that is machine language, assembly language, high-level languages. First one is machine language. Machine language or machine code is a low-level language comprised of binary digits, ones and zeros, where 0 means off state and 1 means on state. Machine programming languages were used in first generation computers. It is the only language that a computer understands. Machine language has the advantage of very high speed and very low memory utilization. But understanding and learning machine language is a tough and time-consuming process. It is very difficult to write and debug programs written in machine language. It is extremely machine dependent. That is why machine language is also regarded of low-level language. A machine language program written on one computer may or may not run on another computer. Because of this, very few people opt for specialization in machine language. Next one is assembly language. Coding a program in binary form was very tedious. To overcome the difficulties of writing machine codes, assembly languages were developed in 1950s. These languages use symbolic codes called mnemonics to write any instruction. A mnemonic is a short name given to an instruction. For example, sum for addition, sum for subtraction. A computer can understand only machine language, so assembly language program has to be converted to machine language. Translator program known as assembler were developed to convert the assembly language program into machine language. A program written in assembly language is called the source program, whereas the program converted into machine language by the assembler is called object program or object code. Like machine language, assembly language is also machine dependent and programming in this language is quite time consuming, though it is also regarded as a low level language. Assembly programming languages were used in second generation computer. High level language. High level language, simple and user friendly language. Language that is machine independent. Owing to the above mentioned features, it becomes easy to learn and use the computer languages. A large number of people started writing computer programs using this language. High-level language is quite similar to the English language. Basic, C, C++, Java etc. are some of the very popular example of the high-level language. High-level language programs need to be translated into machine language by using the translator programs. There are two types of the translator program which are follows: interpreter and compiler. Interpreter. This translator program is used to convert a high-level language program into machine language. An interpreter translates line by line, executes the instruction and then repeats the procedure for the remaining instruction. If any error are found, they are to be removed immediately, as the converted form is not stored anywhere. So it has to be generated at the time of execution of a program. Interpreter programs are preferred for beginner and are slow in execution speed. Next is compiler. Compiler is a translator program used to convert a high-level language program into machine language. A compiler translates the whole program at once. It generates the object code for the programming along with the list of errors. The execution speed of a compiler is faster as compared to an interpreter. So students, this is the last topic, that is fourth generation language. Fourth generation languages are closer to human language than any other high level languages. Fourth generation languages are combination of languages with the following features, that is highly user friendly and independent of any operating system, very high speed of execution, designed to reduce the level of programming efforts, minimum efforts from the user to obtain any information. Fourth generation language designed to reduce the overall time it takes to develop software and the cost of software development. In fourth generation language, the user has to specify only the required output they want, while the computer determines the sequence of instructions that will accomplish those results. So students, let's do a quick recap. Today we learned about machine language, assembly language and high level language. Machine language, binary based language for representing computer programs that the computer can execute directly. Assembly language, a low level programming language in which each statement produces exactly one machine instruction. High level language, more understandable and portable language in which each statement accomplishes substantial tasks. Compiler, a program for converting high level language code into low level code or binary form. Assembler, a program for converting assembly language code into machine code. So students, take care. See you next class.